Welcome to the Law Office of Bryan Fagan. Today we're delving into a common question in family law. Can I withhold visitation if my ex hasn't paid child support? Understanding the intersection of visitation and child rights is crucial, especially for parents navigating these situations. So let's explore this under Texas state law. Let's start by clarifying these rights. Visitation, also known as parenting time, is a non-financial aspect of child custody that allows the non-custodial parent to spend time with their child. On the other hand, child support is a financial obligation imposed on the non-custodial parent to contribute to the child's upbringing. Consider a real-life scenario with Alex and Maria. They have a court-ordered visitation schedule for their child. However, Alex has fallen behind in his child support payments. Maria, the custodial parent, wonders if she can withhold visitation as leverage to ensure support is paid. The situation is more common than you might think. In Texas, visitation and child support are legally distinct matters. According to Texas law, failure to pay child support does not justify withholding visitation. Both parents have a legal obligation to comply with the court-ordered arrangement. Withholding visitation as a means to enforce child support payments is not permissible. However, if your ex is not meeting their child support obligation, legal recourse is available. This can include filing enforcement actions through the Office of the Attorney General, which can employ various measures to collect unpaid child support, such as wage garnishment, property liens, and more. Upholding court orders is essential. Not complying with court-ordered visitation or child support can lead to legal repercussions. Therefore, it's critical to adhere to the court's instruction, and if issues arise, seek legal assistance to resolve them through proper legal channels. Throughout all disputes, the primary focus should be the child's best interest. Using visitation as leverage for child support payments can adversely impact the child, creating emotional strain and potentially causing long-term damage to the parent-child relationship. Thank you for joining us today. Understanding the nuances between visitation and child support in Texas is crucial for all parents navigating these matters. If you found this information helpful, consider subscribing to our channel for more legal insights. If you require legal guidance, our office is here to assist. Take care, and until next time.
Thank you so much for watching this video. We hope it was both helpful and informative for you. At the Law Office of Bryan Fagan, we are here for you, so please let us know how we can help you with your family law, estate planning, or criminal defense matters by calling our office today at 281-310-5563 to schedule your complimentary consultation. You can find all of our social media info in the description below, and if you would like to stay updated on all of our videos, events, and promotions, be sure to subscribe to this YouTube channel by clicking the notification bell.